Hi, I'm Kaylin, the lead floral designer at the Bouqs company, and today I'm going to answer some questions you guys may have about your flowers. We're going to talk about guard petals, about dehydration, and about bud forms. First up are guard petals. Our roses will arrive to your door with guard petals still attached. So these outer petals are what are called guard petals. These petals protect the inner petals from damage or bruising during shipment. So they themselves might be a little bit bruised or a little damaged, but that's okay. That means they've done their job. So all you want to do is just pinch the edge and just take them off. And then you'll see all the other petals on the inside are nice and undamaged. So this flower will open up really, really nicely. Okay, so next we're going to talk about bud form. Our flowers come straight from the farms, meaning they come in bud form, meaning you get to enjoy them a lot longer. So I just kind of wanted to show you what those look like. So these are a lot smaller than maybe what you're seeing on the website. And that just means that they are buds and that they will bloom to bigger flowers in the next couple of days. This will open up to look like this. So I don't want you guys to be worried. This is completely natural and it allows you to have more time spent with your flowers. The more open they are when you receive them, the shorter you have to enjoy them. So keep in mind when you're receiving your flowers, they will be in bud form and they will bloom later on. Okay, so lastly, we're going to talk about dehydration. So your flowers have most likely traveled a long way to get to your doorstep. Some of them have come as far as South America, so they might be a little bit thirsty. If your flowers look a little bit thirsty or a little droopy, that's completely normal. They just need some water. So we'll just give them a fresh cut. These, a little droopy. Put them in water and let them stay there for maybe an hour to 2 hours depending on the flower, and they'll perk right back up. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you learned something about flowers and best practices on how to take care of them. As always, if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Happy flowering! See ya!